In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kling AI image generation. We'll start on the homepage and walk through the exact workflow to create your first AI-generated image, keeping everything simple, clear, and repeatable. First, open your browser and go to the Kling AI platform. You'll land on a dashboard that highlights both video and image tools. This is your starting hub for all creative features. On the main screen, click Generate. This opens the creation panel and gets you into the space where you'll set up your image. From there, choose Image Generation. This switches you from any video-focused options to the image workspace, so every control you see from here on is tailored to making still images. Now, type your prompt. Think of the prompt as a concise creative brief. Be specific about subject, style, mood, lighting, and composition so the model has clear guidance. For example, instead of a cat, try a close-up portrait of a ginger cat with amber eyes, soft studio lighting, shallow depth of field, cinematic style. If you want photorealism, say photoreal. If you're after an illustration or watercolor look, include those words. Short, clear phrases, separated by commas, are easier for the model to interpret than long paragraphs. Next, choose a mode. Modes influence how your prompt is interpreted and styled. Use a natural or photoreal leaning mode for lifelike results, and select a more artistic mode when you want stylized illustration, bold colors, or a painterly finish. Think of mode as the creative lens that shapes the same idea in different ways. Choose a ratio. Aspect ratio defines your canvas shape. Square works well for grids and thumbnails. Landscape fits slides, websites, and widescreen displays, and vertical is ideal for phone-first content and stories. Pick the ratio that matches where the image will live to avoid unwanted cropping later. Choose your output. This typically covers how many variations you want and sometimes the resolution. More variations give you a wider selection to compare, while higher resolution offers extra detail but may take a bit longer to render. If you're exploring ideas, start with a few variations. If you're finalizing, prioritize resolution. Finally, click Generate. Kling AI will process your prompt using the mode, ratio, and output settings you selected and then render the image. Generation time varies with complexity, so give it a moment. If the first result isn't perfect, small refinements, tweaking a keyword, adjusting the mode, or switching the ratio often make a big difference on the next pass. That's the complete flow. Open Kling AI, hit Generate, pick Image Generation, craft a clear prompt, set your mode, ratio, and output, and generate. With a bit of practice, you'll dial in consistent, high-quality images fast.